I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by assessing the palm tree and the surrounding area for hazards and permissions. Contact local authorities to confirm permits for tree removal and to mark underground utilities. Measure the trunk diameter and height so you choose the correct saw and rigging. Clear a minimum 25-foot work zone around the tree to protect people and property. Gather personal protective equipment including a hard hat, eye protection, gloves, ear protection, and steel toe boots before you start moving tools. Begin cutting by removing all fronds and dead material from the crown using a pole saw and pruning saw. Secure any heavy fronds with rope before you cut, so they do not fall unpredictably. Work from the top down, cutting the trunk into manageable sections you can lower with a rope or rigging system. Use a chainsaw with a 20-inch bar for medium trunks and a horizontal escape cut to control the fall direction. Keep a clear escape path throughout each cut and lower sections safely. After cutting the trunk, grind the remaining stump with a stump grinder set between 12-inch and 24-inch cutting wheels. Grind the stump until it is 3 to 6 inches below finished grade to prevent regrowth and allow easy planting. Backfill the cavity with soil, compacting in layers to reduce settling, and finish with mulch or sod depending on your landscape plans. Dispose of palm debris by chipping into mulch or hauling to the local green waste facility according to regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.